Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to completely delete an app from your iPhone. The first method is simple. Start by finding the app icon on your home screen. Tap and hold on the app until a menu pops up. From the options that appear, select Remove App. Then choose Delete App and confirm by tapping Delete again. This will remove the app from your iPhone permanently. The second method involves using the Settings app. To do this, open Settings and scroll down until you see General. Tap on General and then select iPhone Storage. You will see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through this list until you find the app you want to delete. Swipe left on the app's name and tap Delete App. Once again, confirm by tapping Delete. Both of these methods will completely uninstall the app from your device, and you won't see it on your home screen or in your storage anymore. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.